All right, guys, here we go. Welcome to your new home, your brand new condo in the Caribbean, right on the Caribbean Sea. Look at that. We're at the beach. There it is. That is one of the most drop-dead gorgeous oceans in the world. It's not an ocean, it's the Caribbean Sea. And we're in Playa del Carmen, about 30 minutes south of Cancun. I can get you a unit right here, right now. So I want you to comment. Say, James, I'm interested. Let's get on a live call. I have some questions. Smash the like button, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm going to be putting out new videos every single day about buying real estate and making an investment to make huge returns on your money, renting them out as vacation rentals by yourself or with me or on Airbnb. Let's make a lot of money in real estate in the Caribbean, baby. Let me go show you this penthouse. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. We are in the penthouse right now, right on the beach in Playa del Carmen, 30 minutes south of Cancun. Let me give you a little tour, and I want you to check this out. This is available right now, Brand new marble floors, okay? So the floors are brand new marble, drop dead gorgeous. You got a nice little sofa couch right here, okay? We got the kitchen area over here. Yo, you guys are fine. We're on. Hey, say hello. Okay. Here's your little kitchen table. You got some chairs. You always want to add, silverware and pots and pans and dishes and everything people need when they're renting it, right? Over here we got the kitchen. Okay, again, dropped it. Look at all this, brand new. You got brand new, nice little bar stools here. You got a microwave, of course, big microwave, plenty of room. Here's your this is electric grill. When you take the pot off, it turns off immediately. You've got a dishwasher. Brand new, the plastic is even still here, okay? And then you've got your sink. You got a little phone, you can call downstairs if you need to get some groceries or pick up anything or get a taxi anywhere. Brand new refrigerator in the kitchen. Oh, look at that, we got soda, we got water, we got some champagne. This is what when people come to rent it, you want them to be comfortable. You want them to say, hey, this is quality, right? You give them a bottle of champagne, some Perrier. Freezer. So this unit, if this was your unit, you can do a couple things. You can rent it out on Airbnb. You can rent it yourself. You can live here. Maybe you want to move to Paradise and live where I live, right? And then we've got your bedroom over here. King size bed. You can put a TV in here if you like. Of course I would. You got your air conditioning, and then you have very large closet space over here. Okay. All right. Beautiful. So there you go, guys. That's the pool for the whole building. Beautiful. Okay, so this penthouse is available right now. This is a one-bedroom king bed. Right upstairs, you have your own private access to the pool area with an ocean view, 360 degrees in famous Playa del Carmen on famous Fifth Avenue. And this is available for immediate sale. Immediate, okay? You got your shower, bathroom, everything's brand new, okay? Now right upstairs, like I just showed you, that's your private access to the pool, okay? In fact, here, I'll show you one more time. You walk right upstairs. You have your own private access to the pool area and to the Caribbean Sea. Absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Guys, if you ever had a dream to live in the Caribbean, you want to own this penthouse right now. It's available right now. It might not be available tomorrow, so comment below and say, James, I'm interested. I got other places in the area, but this one's super hot right now. Love to help you guys. Smash the like button. Help me out with the Google YouTube algorithm. Click the notification bell. Click all videos. Get all my videos, guys. I'm here to help you make a lot of money in real estate, but also find your home, retirement home, or maybe you just want to come and hang out for a week or two, a couple of times a year, and then cash flow this as a cash flow rental property on Airbnb. Let's make money in real estate, but let me find your dream home for you, okay? Comment, 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 comment. James, I'm in. But don't just say, I'm interested. I don't have your number. You have to send me your phone number. You have to send me your email. We will get in contact within 24 hours, okay? Love you guys. See you soon. Keep watching. I'm going to show you more property.